Hey, what's up, guys? Mike Patrick. In this video, I'm going to talk about microRNAs, all right? MicroRNAs. Now, this video is going to piggyback off of a previous video I did maybe a few months ago, and it was entitled Food is Information, DNA Communication. So what you can do is you can go to my page, go into the search engine, put that title in, and then you'll have a better understanding maybe of what I'm talking about right now, okay? So in that video, I explained how epigenetics, okay, epigenetics, which means above genetics, okay, this influences the expression of your genes, okay? It says that it's the idea that your environment, whatever it is, whether it's where you live, the people you're around, the food you eat, okay, the environment that you give your body, which is the food that you eat, the thing that you intake, okay, these things influence and control, okay, your gene expression, okay, your gene readout. All right, so in that video, I explained how you have to eat the right foods, be around the right people, be in the right environment all together, and this will make sure that your genes are expressed in a way that is healthy, that's beneficial, that allows you to be the healthiest, most productive, most vibrant aspect of yourself. Okay. And so with this particular video, though, I'm going to get a little more in depth into how this works. So as opposed to just telling you, well, food is information, DNA communication, I'm going to give you a better breakdown on how this works, so therefore it can sink in even more. Now, I recently just came across more information pertaining to this from Dr. Bruce Lipton. You can go look him up. And he has found, or he has did research to find that actually how it works is there's microRNAs in your food, okay? There are these things called microRNAs, which are very stable, very small molecules, okay, that's inside of the food. And so basically what happens is once you eat your food, okay, these microRNAs are absorbed, okay, through your digestive system, released through your bloodstream, okay, and attach themselves to the cells, to your cells, and manipulate your gene readout, okay, your gene expression. So this is the literal science, the actual extensive science on how you literally are what you eat, okay? Now, we like to think that we just use food as building blocks. So, you eat your food, your food breaks down, dispersed throughout the body. It's what's the building blocks, the proteins for your muscles, your tissues, and etc. Now, this is very well true, but it goes even beyond that. Now, just from that standpoint alone, you want to put the best foods in your body because you want to use the best materials. I think I've said this before. You want to use the best materials in building yourself up. You don't want to build a home out of straw if you don't have to. You want to build it out of brick, right? That's going to be better material, more sturdy, more reliable material. So you want to use the best material even as your building blocks, even just from a physical standpoint, okay? But from an standpoint of just like from a microRNA standpoint, you also want to use the best foods to express um your genetics. Okay, you want to use the best material for your genetics. So let me see here. I mean, it's pretty much just that simple. I just wanted to give a more extensive, more scientific outlook on it, so it can sink in more. So these foods have and the thing about these microRNAs, they're very stable, like I said earlier. So no matter how you condition your food, no matter how you cook the food, no matter how it's broken, you freeze the food, nothing like that. These molecules are very stable and cannot be destroyed. So take that into consideration too. So if you have a problem eating raw foods and things like that, don't feel so bad about it. Take the step. Just take the necessary steps to get there. But don't feel bad or don't think it's not worth it, because even if you have vegetables, but you can eat cooked vegetables, but you can't really eat raw vegetables, you are still getting the microRNAs. You're still getting that information from the food that is going to communicate with your cells and it's going to express a better you. Okay? So I wanted you guys to take that in consideration. That's a little bit more extensive science on extensive breakdown. Hopefully you was able to digest that. You can go look into microRNAs, go look into epigenetics, look into these things yourself. Each one teach one. Um, and you guys, just have a good one. Be happy, be healthy, and be abundant, be prosperous, all that good stuff. Let's just raise ourselves up. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.